Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you are here today.
Today, let's talk about your hobbies in English.
Yes, this is easy daily English and great speaking practice for beginners.
If you like learning English with us, please like, share, and subscribe.
Let's start learning together.
John, what is a hobby?
Great question. A hobby is something you like to do in your free time.
Yes. For example, reading, listening to music, cooking, or playing sports.
Everyone repeat. A hobby is something I like to do.
Great job! Very clear English. So, John, what is your hobby?
My hobby is reading books.
Nice. Everyone, repeat. My hobby is reading books.
Good job. You can say, my hobby is listening to music. My hobby is watching movies. My hobby is cooking.
Excellent. Very good examples. Let's learn some easy hobby words.
Listen and repeat. Reading, cooking, dancing, singing, playing football, drawing, gardening.
Great. Now let's make simple sentences.
I like reading.
I like cooking.
I like listening to music.
Good job. Simple English is powerful. John, when do you read?
I read in the evening.
Nice. I read before bed.
Everyone repeat. I read in the evening. I read before bed.
Very good. Slow and clear. Let's talk about free time.
Free time is the time when you are not working or studying.
Yes. For example, in my free time, I watch movies.
Repeat. In my free time, I watch movies.
Good job. Now you try. In my free time,
For example, in my free time, I play games.
Nice and easy. My hobby is cooking.
Oh, what do you like to cook?
I like to cook simple food.
For example,
My easy dinner is eggs and rice.
great example. Everyone, repeat. My easy dinner is eggs and rice.
Good job. Simple and useful English.
Let's practice short answers.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is listening to music.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do. I like music.
Good job. Now everyone repeat. Yes, I do. I like music.
Excellent.
Now let's do a short role play.
I will ask and Emily will answer. What is your hobby?
My hobby is watching movies.
When do you watch movies?
I watch movies in the evening.
Great job.
Now you try at home.
Let's review today's key sentences.
Repeat slowly. What is your hobby? My hobby is reading. I like cooking. In my free time, I watch movies. I listen to music in the evening.
Excellent. Very good work.
You are doing great.
Yes, good job. Your English is improving.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Practice every day, even for 5 minutes.
And your English will get better and better.
Now it's your turn.
What is your hobby?
Write your answer in the comments.
For example,
My hobby is reading.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English practice.
Thank you for learning with us today.
See you next time.
Bye-bye, everyone. Keep practicing English every day.